Lamphang ding Dorbar an ke jela Meghalaya Thomas Sangma haka arpo terik Lamphang arajar arpun riu kata sing tho dim lalum kerki ke jingelang jaga business advisory committee ya kebalation benta du menteri rangba ke jela konrad kongkal sangma usembut menteri rangba ke jela presiden tensong wa kemi ke tenat parliamentary affairs unang elam keliang persya u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ki MLA ke bekentup u ba Charles Pengrop badu ba Paul Lungdo badu secretary yang Dorbar an ke jela u Malthus S Sangma Lamphang ula pentip bagi jingelang kalarai ben Pynsangeh no ke Dorbar ke Shillong haka arpo tarik Lamphang kum kadak jong jingburom ke jingkhlad no jong MP ke Lok Sabha ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon kum tan penlong ke Dorbar tang na benta ban penpau ke jing snow lem lo ke jingkhlad no jong MP bad hadian kene ans penwai no ke Dorbar Lamphang ule tho baga arpo tarik ke degisni ke belamang na benta ke government business kum tala shim ke jing munjur na ke sarkar ban Pynsangeh no yaki weki kam
Emergency meeting of the Business Advisory Committee took place this morning at 9:30 to take decision on the sudden demise of our number one Shillong parliamentary constituency member of parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon, and the BAC had received the consent of the government since it was the day for scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we had to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the house for the day, for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the house. Then I can announce you the exact calendar of the revised calendar of the house. Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday.
Will there be any obituary reference in the house?
Yes, there will be an obituary reference in the house today, after which the house will be adjourned for the day.